Almost Heaven, West Virginia. Deep in the rolling hills, you will find Pierpont Community and Technical College. Pierpont Community and Technical College is a small institution with a tremendous amount of pride, primarily located in Fairmont, West Virginia. Welcome to Pierpont. Here, the mission is to provide accessible, responsive, comprehensive education that works. Here, they strive to make the college experience the best that it can be for every student. Pierpont takes pride in delivering us a personalized educational experience. Whether you're interested in welding, fixing airplanes, working in business, or the health field, there's something here for everyone. With more than 30 degree programs, ranging from respiratory care to their multiple nationally celebrated culinary programs, there are plenty of pathways to make your dreams become a reality. While you're here, you'll receive a hands-on education. With a 15-to-1 student-to-faculty ratio, you'll receive the focus and attention that you need from your instructors, giving you a quality education with a small college feel. Although the main campus is located in Fairmont, Pierpont allows students to continue their education close to home. With a 13-county service region in north-central West Virginia, ranging from Braxton County to Monongalia County, Pierpont is home to several different campuses, meaning you can receive quality education right in your own backyard. They also offer online courses, including at least 2 programs that are offered completely online. Thinking about life after college? No problem. Pierpont takes pride in getting you ready to take on the next parts of your life. Your program is designed to make you completely career ready in just 2 short years or less. And if you want to continue your education even further, they have a variety of 2+2 agreements with universities around the country. You can begin with Pierpont, earn your associate's degree after 2 years, then continue at another school for 2 years to earn your bachelor's degree. Are you closing in on the end of your high school career? Get a jump start on your college education. You can begin taking your general education courses through Pierpont by utilizing dual enrollment opportunities. If you're in a pathway, then you can begin at Pierpont with an EDGE. In the EDGE program, you can complete a career pathways program at your local high school or technical center. Both programs are an affordable way to get a jump start on your college careers. Now I bet you're thinking, isn't college expensive? It doesn't have to be. Pierpont offers a wide variety of financial aid opportunities. In fact, 81% of students received financial aid in 2018, ranging from scholarships to grants. They take pride in helping find the right financial aid fit for you. And speaking of that, go check out the West Virginia Invests Grant. It's the state-funded grant program that pays towards the full cost of basic tuition and mandatory fees for select certificate and associate degree programs at a West Virginia public 2- or 4-year institution. It's a last dollar in program, meaning it will pay for any amount up to the total cost of tuition and mandatory fees not already covered by other state or federal grants or scholarship and institutional tuition waivers. Still not convinced? Why not check out what makes Pierpont unique? Come visit and find out what makes Pierpont truly special. As you begin this next stage in your life, why not begin right here? You'll receive a quality education in a career field that you can be proud of. So apply now and become a member of the Pierpont Pride. Pierpont, education that works.